Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the cinematic trending reels tutorial using CapCut. So if you want to make your reels look like a cinematic masterpiece, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create the trending cinematic reels using CapCut with the latest new update features included. So here are my footages I've already imported into CapCut. So once you add your clips into CapCut, you can start by adding transitions, sound effects, and also filter. So here, for the first two clips, I'm going to add transitions, film blur transition. So you can just search for it in here. Click on transition box and search for film blur, this one, add it into your clips. Okay, now hit on a check icon and align with the transition. You can go to audio options. Sorry. So click on audio in here, sound effects, and search for the camera shutter sound effects. So you can find the one that align with your transition. I think I'm going to just use this one, and you're gonna play it to make sure that it aligns with the transition. Okay, and for the next footage, click on the transition box again, and now add the shadow wipe transition. Just search for shadow in here and add the shadow wipe transitions. And again, for this one, you can also add the sound effects, and here I'm going to add the swish sound effects. So for us, just search for swish, this one, and next one, click on the transition box again, and for this one, I'm going to add the white strobe transition, this one in here. And again, add the sound effects, and for this one, I'm going to add the swish whoosh sound effects, this one. And again, you can just preview the video to see if it match with the sound effect. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.